When the device is turned on, it will have default settings with power set to 1, frequency set to 2, and shocks counter set to 1500. You can adjust the power, frequency, and shocks applied by increasing the numbers like so. The selection of energy levels is based on the medical opinion of the healthcare professional administering the treatment. The treatment must never be allowed to cause the patient to experience any excessive amount of pain or discomfort. The preset values under the indications heading are advisory in nature. They do not encompass or form the basis of the treatment. The primary consideration is the medical opinion of the healthcare professional. The user control panel of the device is designed with a lean approach for easy usability. The control panel consists of 3 separate layers: home, indications, otherwise known as presettings, and settings. The home menu is the main page of the device. This layer, you can find the set values for power, frequency, and the shocks counter. Each value has a corresponding increase and decrease button. After setting the values, the process is initiated by pressing the Start button. In this state, the color of the Start button changes and the text Stop becomes active. To stop the process, simply press the Stop button. The total counter counts and displays the number of applied shocks on the screen. When the total counter reaches the set shocks count, the device automatically stops. The Start button becomes inactive, and a warning message, "Please press Reset button," appears on the screen. Press the Reset button for reuse. In this case, the total counter will be set to 0, and the Start button will become active. The Indications menu. When you click on the Indications button in the middle of the screen, the following screen will appear. Preset values for power, frequency, and the total shocks count to be applied are indicated. These values are provided as advisory examples and do not constitute the basis for treatment. The decision of the healthcare professional takes precedence. In the application of treatment protocols, the intended use and protocols defined by the FDA must be decided by the healthcare professional based on the patient's condition. The Settings menu. The handpiece total counter is located in the top left corner of the screen and counts backward. When the total number of shocks reaches 250,000, the device will automatically lock itself. In this case, enter the Settings menu and input the necessary password using the numeric keypad on the right side, and then press the Enter button. If you make a mistake, you can use the Clear button to delete. When you press the Enter button, the screen below will display the Reset button. When you press Reset button, the handpiece counter value on the top left corner will be set to 250,000 and the device will be ready for use.